A lot of people come to us who have ignored their financial mistakes. They're usually pretty scared and they've been hiding it for a very long time. And what we try to do is give them the tools on how to fix it. It's nice to be able to tell people, this problem is not the end of the world. There's a solution. We just got to figure out how to get to the solution and then move forward from there. Typically when someone calls, they get routed to one of the EAs at the office, and we basically do an intake. We try to ask the individual what exactly is going on, if they owe state taxes, do they owe federal taxes, is it a personal liability, is it a business liability? After we have the initial phone conversation with them, we like to set up an in-person interview so we can meet with the people face-to-face and get a better idea of what is going on. A lot of times when we meet with clients and we go over everything, we can determine that it's really not financially wise for them to hire us, that it's better for them just to take care of the issue on their own and pay what they were going to pay to us to the IRS, because we're not going to be able to bring a benefit to them. So the call is free and the initial consultation is free. We typically charge a flat fee to do a review. And the review includes pulling all their transcripts from the IRS and from the state and seeing exactly where their case is, what the balance is. We take a look at penalties, see if they qualify for penalty abatements. We look for missing returns, pending audits, anything that may have told the statute on the tax debt as well. And then from that point in time, we then can go back to the client and give the client what we think the best option is to rectify that situation. And then there's a separate fee for what we decide to do from that point on, whether it's penalty abatement, payment plan, an hourly engagement, or if it's an offer in compromise. We do not surprise our clients with bills. We tell the client ahead of time basically what the total fee structure is going to be or what we estimate the fee structure to be if anything changes. For example, if a client hired us to represent them for the last 3 years of taxes, we represent them, give them the fee for those 3 years. If they incur another tax for a different year, that would require a new retainer agreement, and we would present the client with that. We try to inform the clients of everything we're doing ahead of time. Once the taxpayer signs up with us, the IRS is no longer allowed to contact the taxpayer. And we always give the taxpayer our card in case if an agent or someone does go out to their house, they're to tell the agents that they've retained IRS Help and that they need to call IRS Help to speak to them further. It's hard to say how long it takes to get a tax issue resolved because everyone is different and it really depends on where they are in the collection process. But because we have hundreds of years of combined experience in handling IRS issues, we know where to look and we know how to get to the bottom of the case to figure out what is going on.